This module is related to a case study. Actually, here we are going to understand a case study of Chinese multinational corporation, which is named as Haier. If you just recall how China is growing across the time, the development phase as well as the expansion across the nation, actually a consistent growth rate has been observed in the China. 10%, it is close to 10%, and it consistently grow up to 20 years. So that is going to make China a stronger country, and it is leading towards a developed country. On the other side, it helps to increase the competitiveness of that particular country as well as the companies and the corporations working in that country. So Chinese corporations, Chinese companies are getting the strength due, and that strength is going to be multiplied, you can say enhanced, due to the development of the whole country. Whenever we are talking about Haier, actually it is a Chinese multinational, and its previous name is Qingdao Refrigerator Plant, Qingdao Refrigerator Co. Corporation. It was actually established in 1920s. It has a long history. But later, its name is transferred in form of Haier in 1992. It has its own history. Actually, what has happened in the beginning, it was only a refrigeration company producing refrigerators and supplying refrigerators across China. But over the time, it faces different kind of crisis because it was nationalized as well. And then later during the 1980s, it moved back to the different, you can say, in a private perspective. And actually, this company appointed a manager whose name is Zhang Rumin. Actually, the whole transformation of Haier happens through the aspired potential and to the, you can say, the capabilities, the abilities of Mr. Zhang, who actually helped to transfer or transform this Haier from the loss-making corporations to the profit-making international corporation. So from domestic to international corporation. So he was appointed plant director in 1984. At that time, the total loss company was bearing in their own currency, yuan or RMB, 1.47 million, which was just equal to $525,000. $525,000. At that time, total employees were 600. And that was the time of crisis because company was suffering a loss and facing difficulties to make the payments to their employees. And the loan was not available due to the loss through the commercial banks. Therefore, Mr. Zhang has to take the loan from the farmers. And then there were three major dimensions which were focused by Zhang. And that leads to transform the company into an international company, international corporation. Number one is the efficiency. Number two is the discipline. And number three is the quality control. So these three major areas were focused to transform a loss-making company to a profit-making corporation. And what has been done by Mr. Zhang Rumin, he made a rule that if any defective item is going to be produced, all those who are involved in the production of that defective items has to face the deduction of 20% of their salary. So 20% of the salaries of the staff who are involved in producing a defective item is the big cost, was the big threat for the employees. So if we try to consider how it evolves, the internationalization of the Haier and the basic framework of that internationalization, from 1984 to 2002, 17 to 18 years journey, which has been passed through this Qingdao refrigerator plant, and then it named now as a Haier. At that time, sale was only $1.2 billion, which transformed into $19 billion. Employees increased from 600 to 30,000 now. Profit, which was previously the loss, converted into profit and it became $5.1 million. Product range, only one, refrigerator. Now they have 86 product lines. Specification further intensified, 13,000 specification of these products. Export volume increased up to $420 million. That was remarkable. Sale network increased up to 40,000. And trade across the 160 countries, having the 6th position among the companies of the world. So that is the scenario actually which have been achieved by the Haier company under the management of Mr. Zhang Ruimin. And what has happened actually, if we just find out the highlights, actually refrigerators were demanded in Shanghai, the demand was low. In Beijing, demand was high. What they did market research and find out that actually Shanghai is more crowded and they need smart units. So they produce smart units. And so they capture that market and increase the sale. Secondly, they identify that in desert area, air conditioners are required. And so they got the feedback from the Middle East and they established or developed heat resistance capabilities and anti-erosion abilities in the air conditions. And once the sample was launched, interestingly, the whole lot was taken by the Middle East and the African customers. So that was huge change which has been observed in this case. Mean the internationalization process of Haier actually passes through these phases and it transforms a loss-making company into a profit-making company. So that was the scenario actually.